Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana, and today we're going to show off the lower grille for a 6th generation 4Runner, which is going to enable a 20-inch light bar. Let's get started. Okay, so we have the lower piece independent to the top piece. You can do just the top piece by itself if you wanted to, and we have a separate video that we recorded, which we'll link to in the upper corner of the video, to watch the differences between the Pro and the Trailhunter versions of that. Today we're going to talk about the bottom pieces. So again, they're just like the upper pieces. There are two versions. They're going to be the exact same mold. This is the TRD Pro version, which is going to come in a gloss black finish. And then there's the Trailhunter version, which would be better for an off-road trim level because it's got the matte finish, which would match a matte finish bumper on an off-road, and the matte black fender flares and the matte black roof rack. Since this is the TRD Sport model, it's going to have shiny black in the front, shiny black on the roof rail, shiny black on the hood scoop, and a color match on the fender flares. So on a TRD Sport, you definitely want to use the TRD Pro one. If it was a TRD off-road version, you would want to use the Trailhunter version. We'll link to both part numbers in the video comment notes, which we sell on parts.edmartintoyota.com. So TRD Pro lower grille. It's going to give you the ability to add a 20-inch light bar. We use Diode Dynamics lights at Ed Martin Toyota. This is a Stage Series 20-inch. There's various drive patterns. You can get a spot, which is just a driving pattern. You can get a driving combo, which is more of a combination of a flood and a spot together, but this is a driving combo yellow. This is the Pro series. This is a 105-watt light bar. Cool thing about the Pro version as well is it's going to have a back illumination. So when the car is in just running mode, you're going to have a yellow glow, which is going to match the exact same sheen as your parking lights located up here. And then when you, of course, you turn the light bar on, then you have the full 105-watt power, which is going to give you the driving combo pattern. So it's going to be half flood, half spot. It's going to give you a nice pattern. And that is controlled via the Toyota Auxiliary 1 genuine OEM switch, which we sell as a kit with the 5 terminal repair wires and the housing connector, which we'll also link to that part number in the video section notes as well. Again, this comes in a matte black finish, which would be better for an off-road version of it. For a TRD off-road, whether it's an i4 or an i4 Max, it'll still be the same finish. But again, this is the TRD Pro version of it. One additional part that you are going to need on this is going to be a Diode Dynamics light bar bracket. We do sell these light bar brackets, and we'll link that as well to Diode Dynamics website and to our own website. But this kit is going to come with the entire bracketry needed to attach the Stage Series perfectly centered here in the back. If you guys like this mod, please hit thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for future 4Runner content. And if you have any questions whatsoever, please ask in the comment section below.